Welcome. We are following this book. Today's lectures on problem set A, P1 2A, Judy Selim Law Office, Transaction Analysis. Thus, we need to be prepared tabular summary, income statement, owner's equity statement, and balance sheet. Thus, this is the Judy Selim opened a law office on July 1, 2017. On July 31st, the balance sheet showed cash balance, account receivable balance, supplies balance, equipment balance, account payable balance, and owner's capital. During the August, the following transaction occurred. Just here we have 8 transactions. Okay, instructions: A. Prepare a tabular analysis of the August transactions beginning with July 31st balances of the column headings should be as follows. This is column heading cash, accounts receivable, supplies and equipment, and equal to notes payable plus accounts payable, owner's capital minus owner's drawing plus revenues minus expenses. So we can see here this is our asset, cash. This is cash balance from July, and we show it from the beginning of August. Account receivable balance, supplies balance, equipment balance, and accounts payable balance, owner's capital balance. Okay, so July 31st balance, just we have shown it in August 1st. This is opening balance. Okay, so now during August the following transaction occurred. Number 1, collected 1200 of account receivable. So please look here, this is our account receivable balance 1500. From there we have collected 1200 account receivable. So our asset cash will be increased and asset accounts receivable will be decreased here. Number 2, paid 2800 cash on accounts payable. We know that when we paid, that means our asset will be decreased and accounts payable will be decreased. So here this is our accounts payable. We have paid 2800, so accounts payable will be decreased, and here our asset side, our cash will be decreased 2800. Transaction 3, recognized revenue. So our total revenue recognized $7,500, from which $300 collected in cash and balance in due. So we can look here, just this is our total revenues. Owner's equity revenues will be owner's equity will be increased in our revenue side, and here just asset will be increased in our cash side. That means this is our cash, and this is due amount raised. That means our account receivable will be increased. I think clear to everybody. Number 4, purchase additional equipment 2000, paying only 4000 in cash and the balance on account. So for the additional equipment, our asset will be increased, additional equipment, and this 4000 paying, this our cash will be decreased and balance on accounts. That means this will be our liabilities. So equipment 2000, this will be increased our assets, and this 4000 cash, that means cash will be decreased, and 1600 our accounts payable will be increased. Now transaction 5, paid salaries 2500, rent 900, and advertising expenses 400. For this transaction our cash will be, our asset cash will be decreased and owner's equity will be decreased due to expenses categories. I think clear to everybody. So this is our asset, this is cash. Cash will be decreased here. Cash will be decreased and our owner's equity will be decreased due to expenses categories. This portion. And now transaction 6, withdrew 700 in cash for personal use. For this personal use, you know that this 700 our asset will be decreased here. That means asset cash decreases and owner's equity decrease $700 due to owner's withdrawal or owner's drawing. We can see here this is our asset, our cash will be decreased 700 and owner's equity will be decreased 700. that means owners equity category. So now transaction 7 received 2000 from Standard Federal Bank, money borrowed on note payable. So for this we are getting 2000, our asset cash will be increased, and borrowed money or note payable will be increased. So this is our asset cash will be increased 2000, and liability note payable will be increased 2000. I think clear to everyone. Now last transaction, incurred utility expenses for the month on account. So for this transaction, the liability accounts payable will be increased, and owner's equity decreases due to incurred utility expenses. So here we can show this transaction. Just accounts payable, liabilities will be increased. Accounts payable category has been 270, and owner's equity will be decreased in expenses category to 70. So here after considering cash, just we are getting this balance, our closing balance end of the month, this account receivable closing balance, this supplies closing balance, equipment closing balance, and notes payable closing balance, accounts payable closing balance. This is our owner's capital closing balance. This is our owner's drawing closing balance, and revenue closing balance, and expenses closing balance. Okay. So here the two sides of transaction will be equal. That means these asset sides, the asset sides, just asset number 1, 2, 3, 4. The total amount will be 16,800, and this is our two liabilities. That means there are two liabilities, $5,270, and this is our owner's equity. Owner's equity, actually we call it, this is actually closing balance of owner's equity. Anyhow, later we discuss about this matter. Now 11,530, this is our owner's equity. So total this balance and this balance is equal, or homogeneous balance or same balance. Okay. So already we have discussed the tabular analysis. That means this one, prepare a tabular analysis, already we have discussed it, and we have prepared this tabular analysis or summary of transactions. Okay. So now prepare an income statement, owner's equity statement, and balance sheet. Okay. So easily we can prepare this. We know that income statements, to prepare income statement we need to consider revenue and expenses. So our total revenue balance this figure, and expense balance this figure. So we can find net income easily. This is our total revenue balance, and this is our total expense balance. So revenue less expense, then net income. Okay. Number second, owner's equity statement. So owner's equity statement, we need to consider owner's capital and owner's drawing. Okay. So this on our owner's capital, that means this is the investment by the owners, and we need to be added net income with this balance. So net income, this on net income, $3,430. $3,430. So we are getting these figures after addition, this one. So here drawings, we know that we have drawing 700. So owner's capital, actually this is 11,530. This is owner's capital, this is owner's closing capital. We can see here, this is owner's closing capital, 11,530. Okay. So final balance sheet, we need to prepare balance sheet. Actually the balance sheet items are available here. This is our asset. So in our asset side we have 4 assets: cash, account receivable, supplies, and equipment. And this is the balance, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So and our liability balance sheet, two sides, one side is asset and another side liabilities and owner's equity. So liabilities two balance, this 2,000 and 3,270, and owner's equity, actually owner's equity statement, we have found this balance 11,530. So we can now furnish this balance in our balance sheet. Okay. Balance sheet prepare a particular date, August 31st 2080. This is our cash accounts, sorry, asset balance, these four.